Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can connect your Riot account to your Discord account. So first open up Discord, go to user settings and go to connections. Select view more and select the Riot Games icon, and I'm just going to quickly log in first, so I'll be right back. And oops, let's close this. And once you're done, this should be displayed and I can close the window and go back to Discord. So let's go back to Discord. And as you can see, it will show up, it will show like my username on like Riot, and I can choose to either display it on profile or not. So like people can add me. So if I go to like my profile right now, it will show the like name and hashtag for my Riot account basically. So that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!